This week in Quick Tip Tuesday, we want to talk about chipping and what's all about. Okay, we have here our exhaust, and we want to give it a look that it looks a little bit rusty. So of course we need some brown. We go the easy way here. We just take one brown. Of course you could take more shades of brown, darker and brighter. Then we take an old sponge and just rip off a little part of it. You take some tweezers, they help. You don't have to use it, but they help so you don't get dirty hands. So now you put that in your tweezers, and all that you do is now dip it in the paint, which should be not too thin but a little bit thicker. So you dip it in your paint and you get rid of the most of the excess, and then you just dip it on your exhaust or the part that you want to be chipped, and that's pretty much all that is to it. So it gives a random pattern which looks pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty much to it, and you end up with something very quick that looks very realistic, like rust. But this was the tip of this week.